Welcome to SmartyBits quiz about birds. What is the largest living bird? Emu, penguin, stork or ostrich? Ostrich. Woodpecker birds mainly eat seeds, insects, fish or fruit. Insects. Which bird can live the longest? Parrot, owl, penguin or sparrow? Parrot. Which bird can see ultraviolet light? Dove, sparrow, eagle or raven? Eagle. Which bird lays the largest eggs? Chicken, ostrich, turkey or emu? Ostrich. Which bird has the largest wingspan? Eagle, swan, albatross or vulture? Albatross. Which bird hunts mostly at night? Penguin, pigeon, owl or falcon? Owl. What is a baby swan called? Chick, cygnet, hatchling or nestling? Cygnet. A bird famous for its laughing call is parakeet, swan, kookaburra, or gull? Kookaburra. Which bird can fly backward? Sparrow, hummingbird, parrot or pigeon? Hummingbird. Well done. Please share, like and subscribe for SmartyBits on YouTube.